Let's take a live look now at our busy airport. See, it's actually not that busy. If you have to pick someone up in the next few minutes, you're going to be okay. You're also going to see a beautiful sunset there off to the west, Leah. Gorgeous night.
Yeah, maybe if you're early for the airport, doesn't look like there's a rush, pull over, enjoy that sunset. It's going to be really nice tonight. Yeah, I want to show you a couple more live looks outside. I've been sunset chasing. Oh, Bellingham showing off as usual. Look at those clear skies. Yeah, that was the big story today, is clearing conditions, much different than what we saw yesterday, just about 24 hours ago. Everett also showing off this evening with that sun shining over there. Good evening to you. Hurricane Ridge also, oh, wow, that's nice. Caught in the clouds just a little bit. But yeah, those clear skies is what we saw today. We can see that from our satellite and radar. Not much activity here. A little bit of moisture moving through in the form of clouds for the most part. But we're on tap for a really quiet pattern for a couple days here, which we need after yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit chaotic. Observed lows. This is what we saw this morning. These are the lows that we woke up to. Seattle dropping down to below freezing. Both Seattle and Olympia down to 29 degrees this morning. Everett sitting right at that freezing point. Port Angeles and Bellingham below freezing. And then over to the east as well. Most of us in eastern Washington below freezing tonight. So cold but clear. Temperatures right now warming up a little bit, but we're still cooler than normal for this time of year. We're hovering right around that 40-degree mark for most of western Washington. Even in the mountains, 43 degrees in Wenatchee. That's actually pretty bad, or pretty okay for Wenatchee for this time of year. Seattle, look at this. Into our evening hours, we are going to drop down pretty quickly here as the sun sets. Those temperatures will cool on down to sub-freezing once again. So overnight tonight, these lows are going to be pretty close to what we woke up to this morning. So it is going to be another cold night tonight with these clear skies. Clear skies actually help with temperatures dropping down even more in those overnight hours. Daytime highs are going to start to inch up just a tiny bit, so a smidge warmer than what we felt today. So mid to upper 40s are in store for the Puget Sound area, and then over in the mountains, a little bit into that 40-degree mark. It'll be a tiny bit warmer there. So we're on tap for a couple of clear days here. We can see into tonight, clear skies over western Washington. Next couple of days are actually going to stay pretty quiet. Then as we head into Thursday, this disturbance is going to inch toward us. You saw that really brushing up to our northwest, so it's not going to have major impacts, but what this means is that by Thursday, we're going to bring a little bit more cloud coverage in. We should stay mostly dry for most of us through the day, but those northwest corners of western Washington could see a little bit of precipitation by Thursday evening, and then into those early Friday morning hours. Same thing, pushing down a little bit. It's looking like up to the north and then over on the Olympic Peninsula could get a touch of moisture in those early Friday morning hours, but for the most part, it should not be any major impacts. So here we go, 7-day forecast. Cold tonight, getting down below freezing. Temperatures tomorrow, tiny bit warmer. We'll see those overnight lows also nudge up in the next couple of nights, still staying below freezing Thursday morning, but then by Friday, we'll warm up a little bit more, and then we're back to those seasonal norms, those average temperatures for this time of year by the weekend, but we are also bringing back rain into the forecast.